My name is Steve White. I work for Scott Construction. We're at Pine Valley Quarry in Neilville, Wisconsin. This quarry, we make all of our granite chips, being 3/8 and 1/4 inch for our seal coat division. We are generally run 3 wheel loaders at this operation on any given day. The case not only was more fuel efficient, but it seemed to have more power. We're using almost 230 gallons less a week of diesel fuel doing the same job. So we run anywhere between 300 and 350 ton an hour at the plant, 14, 15 hours a day. So the 1021, it's irreplaceable. It's the heart of our operation here. We load anywhere between 75 to 150 trucks a day, plus he's feeding this plant. The 1021 has to be able to get from point A to point B with the raw product to the hoppers, plus at the stockpiles and the conveyors, he has got loaded trucks. Not only that, at the end of the conveyors, because they don't haul it out as fast as we produce it, we have stockpiles he has to move it to. So the loader's speed, he's got to get from point A to point B as fast as he possibly can, safely. Ride control is a must, and it works well. And in some spots we have ruts washed in the pit floor here that are foot deep. You can take a loaded bucket full of material and he can drive across that and you won't even notice it. It won't spill a drop.
I tend to have to do a lot of hauling of material back and forth through the pit, which in turn makes it, with the cushion ride, it ain't quite such a rough ride.
It's faster, it's smoother. It's a one complete operation. We try to get many cycles done in an hour as we can. It shifts so smoothly, from forward to reverse.
Yeah, well, the return to travel, what it does is when I'm backing away from the truck or whatever, I push the lever all the way ahead and lock it in, and it'll come down to a certain height from the ground and stop on its own, so that I can talk to the truck driver or whatever I have to do without my hands on the control at the time.
You roll the hood up, everything's in eyesight. You can see everything you need to service. The filters are easy to get to. Serviceability is phenomenal. Compared to other makes and models of the same size machine, this one's much simpler to service. The seat is phenomenal. The air ride is great. The controls are laid out really well. When they designed it, they must have designed it for the comfort of the operator. The visibility on the 1021 is phenomenal out the front window and the side windows. We're in granite rocks, so you don't want to run on rocks, cut your tires, so you can physically see how close you are to anything. It's been an improvement, and we like it. The case is just a better loader all around than the other 2 loaders we had.